Looking to start a business that's not just trendy, but also profitable in 2025? The US is the land of opportunity with 33 million small businesses thriving today. Stick around to discover 5 innovative ideas that can help you become your own boss this year. The changing landscape of small businesses, the entrepreneurial landscape in 2025, is buzzing with innovation and opportunities. With technology advancing and consumer trends shifting, it's easier than ever to launch a business. From eco-conscious buyers to AI-powered tools, small businesses are transforming the way we live and work. Let's dive into the 5 most promising business ideas for this year. Idea 1. Mobile Cloud Kitchens. First up, mobile cloud kitchens, combining the flexibility of food trucks and the booming delivery industry. This idea eliminates the need for a physical restaurant. With meal delivery apps dominating, you can cater to diverse tastes while minimizing overhead. Expected annual earnings between $50,000 and $200,000. Bonus tip: cater to dietary trends like vegan, keto, or fusion cuisine. Idea 2. AI-powered personal coaching. Second, AI-powered personal coaching. From fitness to career guidance, AI-driven platforms make coaching more accessible and scalable. Whether you're tech-savvy or a seasoned coach, you can start a hybrid model offering AI and human-guided sessions. The personal development industry is projected to hit $50 billion by 2025. Your chance to grab a slice of it. Idea 3. Sustainable products and services. Sustainability is not just a buzzword, it's a movement. Starting a business that offers eco-friendly alternatives like biodegradable packaging, sustainable fashion, or green energy consulting can resonate with conscious consumers. Fun fact: 62% of Gen Z prefer brands that prioritize the planet. Home-based digital services. Fourth on the list, home-based digital services. Offer skills like graphic design, content creation, social media management, or even cybersecurity consulting. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy to connect with clients globally. The best part? Low startup costs and unlimited growth potential. Idea 5. Experiential event planning. Finally, experiential event planning. People are craving unique and memorable experiences, whether it's VR-enhanced parties or sustainable outdoor events. This business lets you tap into creativity while earning impressive profits. Want to stand out? Focus on niche markets like pet-friendly events or wellness retreats. Excited to take the leap? These ideas are just the beginning. The secret to success in 2025 is to embrace trends, stay adaptable, and always put your customers first. Ready to start your journey? Hit the subscribe button and comment below which idea you're going to explore first. Let's make your entrepreneurial dreams a reality. Thanks for tuning into USA Finance Trends. Stay informed, stay empowered, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for the latest in financial insights. See you next time.